Hey everybody, welcome back to Login Joins. Today I'm going to show you how to go live on TikTok without having 1000 followers. Without further ado, let's get started by opening your app. Here on your profile section, tap this 3-bar icon. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Report a Problem. Here tap Account and Profile under Topics. Tap on Profile Page. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Other. Tap on Need More Help. And finally here describe your problem. So I have written I can't start live. Please enable this feature for my account. You can do the same. Also you can insert any pictures if you have or take a screenshot or something. And after you are done, tap Submit. And now you're going to be responded in 2 or 3 days as your feedback has been submitted. And this is how you will get your problem solved. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching guys and subscribe for more.